We got some Krispy Kreme donuts. You know what we can do with those Krispy Kreme donuts? Krispy Kreme donut pizzas. Christian, tell me what it's gonna taste like.
It's gonna probably taste like shit, but we won't know until we find out.
All right, so Christian's here for the day. We got a lot in store for you guys. He just came with some Yu-Gi-Oh packs. They have 25 cards plus one rare card. You don't know what you're getting. I think it's mixed between a bunch of different packs, right?
Yeah, it's just a mixture of all the packs out there.
You can get anything. And we're gonna do a little unboxing. I'll let him go first. All right.
Yeah. Yes, I'm too weak to tear plastic.
346 minutes later.
Let's see. Oh, a pendulum. I didn't expect to see a pendulum monster. Cliffort shell. Oh, it's a Cliffort. Wow. Perform, wonderful. Those things are good. Aroma.
Just a staple right there.
That's a classic card right there. A lot of pendulums. And other than that, okay, everything sucked. You're up.
All right.
Everything sucked. Dude, those fucking videos on YouTube with the Walmart guys doing Raigeki, Solemn Strike.
Right? Watch me get one right now.
My best card was Trap Hole.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it a little bit different than you.
Come on, show me up.
I'm gonna do it a little bit different than you. I'm gonna do this though.
Save the rare for last.
Okay. Yeah, I guess I'll do that last. Let's go.
Well, you know, you just, okay, I see.
Super heavy samurai soulfire suit. I mean, there's a lot of effect monsters that I don't know of, so they might have some good effects. I'm just gonna have to go back through them.
No, bubble shuffle, that sucks ass. At least that's what I'm thinking of.
Oh, at the very end. I didn't see that until you said it.
Ooh, you got a Gaia card.
That's alright. Alright, that was alright.
20 minutes later.
I'm not big on this, but this is my homie's favorite, so we're doing it big. Spicy. Alright, so look what we got. We got some Krispy Kreme donuts. You know what we can do with those Krispy Kreme donuts? Check us out. We making Krispy Kreme donut pizzas. What's up? Christian, tell me what it's gonna taste like.
It's gonna probably taste like shit. I thought it would be disgusting at first, but then I started to think about it. It might actually be pretty damn bomb.
Alright, let's do this. Hands washed, and I think we're ready to go.
You know, he did toast these though before he put them in.
He toasted them?
Yeah, he put them on a little skillet.
Oh, you know.
How about we try half of them?
Well, we want to do these ones, and then if we want, we can switch those ones up.
Yeah, we got another dozen. Alright, check this out, sorted in cheese. Now we're gonna get the pepperonis. Tried finding the mini ones, but Porterville Walmart ain't got shit. Cheese, pepperoni, more cheese on top. Just a little bit. When I made regular homemade pizzas, I always use these ingredients. It was amazing. Don't know how Krispy Kreme Doughnut's gonna do, but let's try it. Only live once, right?
Look how beautiful these things are. Alright, and they are finished. Took about
They look good.
5 to 7 minutes. Check them out. You hear that? They're still crunching up.
With a fork? That's a sin, sir. What do you think?
I don't know. What do you think? Too much cheese?
No.
Too much sauce?
Probably too much sauce.
We're gonna work on our second batch, and Christian commented earlier that the guy in the video, he actually toasted his first a little bit. Let's do this. Boom. And we're also probably gonna try maybe a little bit less tomato sauce. So,
These are the pepperonis you get. These are to die for. Best damn pepperonis ever. Alright, that's good. Well, you gotta give me a little bit of cheese though.
boom. Magic.
Later that same evening.
Alright, they look finished. That looks flawless actually.
Boom.
That's picture perfect.
We'll tell you the difference. Tell you if it's good.
You know what? I think it's time for the $100 question. Is it worth it? No. It is not.
Legit, if you want something that tastes like this, well, buy pizza from Little Caesars, get cinnamon sticks, and all you do is just dip the pizza into the cinnamon sauce. Not the sauce, but the little glaze sauce. Probably tastes the same.
Honestly, I give this dish like maybe 2 out of 5, 3 out of 5.
Out of 5, probably like a 1.7, 2.
Alright guys.
We'll see you on the next activity.
Go.
We're playing loser. Take a shot.
Attack, attack, you die. You can't stop it.
Bottoms up.
I'm gonna hit you straight for just 45.
One
turn KO.
I hate this.
I win. Bottoms up. Get drunk. Get wasted.
This is what I wanted.
I can't believe it.
I know, I lost. This guy really exodiated me. He obliterated me. Bro, I lost how many? 3, 4 in a row?
Woo. Magician of Dark Illusion attacks you directly. 2100.
So we just finished playing like, I don't know, like 20, 30 games. I don't know, hella games. I beat him every single time.
You didn't even win once. You lost.
Did I not?
You lost every single game.
To be fair, I took shots after every single one. Until about the 7th one, I had to stop. But the thing is, we're finished. I think it's gonna be the end of this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. I don't know whatever YouTubers say, but do it. Do it. Do it.